a new game. It's called Bouncing Box. And this is the game of the Wobbly Widget Warriors. And these like little wobbly widget warriors look so fun to play with. They're like so weird looking, but they're super funny at the same time. So I can't wait to try this out. So let's get started. Okay, so let's open this game. Okay, so the first thing that you see is the instructions. And on the back, you can see all the teams. So the first team is the Solar Cyborgs, and the second team is the Galaxy Gladiators. So on each team, there's a captain, a scout, fixer, and a fighter. Okay, so here are the targets. There's two. Whoa, they're so cool. And here are the wobbly widgets. They have like little faces on them. So to set up, you're going to put both of the targets in reach of all of the players. And then you're going to pick 2 widgets each, and they have to be matching colors. So I'll pick the blue ones. And then you can put the extras back in the box. The youngest player goes first. Then you can bounce the bot on its head and it can land on either of these targets. Then you're gonna leave your bots until all of the players bounce both of their bots. So then you're gonna determine which bots landed flat on the targets. And they could be touching the colors here. And it can be worth 2 or 3 points. The first player to score 9 points wins and becomes the Wobbly Widget Warrior. Okay, so let's play. So there's 2 target sides. There's one in the outside and one in the inside. Today we chose to do the one in the inside. Leah goes first since she's the youngest. 2! Oh, and 3! So since Leah landed on both spots, she can get the higher score. So she gets 3 points. Oh, I got 2! Now it's my turn. This is my last bot. That's a 3. Yeah, that's a 3! What? Shoot, I got 6 points. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now it's my turn. Whoa, I got a 3! So I got 5 points in total. So now we're going to do it again until one person gets 9 points. Oh! She got 3! I got 3! And 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, so I won. Oh my gosh. So that was the Bouncing Bots game. And we had to practice a little bouncing the bots, but after that it was pretty easy. And let us know what you guys think about this game in the comment section below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like,